Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. So in today's video I just want to talk about Sega Mega Drive portable gaming. There are a lot of new ways to play games portable, yeah. But still, sometimes the basic system that appeals the most to me. But a lot of people are hating the AdGames products, and I cannot blame them because they made a lot of crappy products that were more like a disgrace to the name Sega. Alright, so first, before we're going to any further with this video, I just want to give you PG and small shout out. I don't know what is your real name, just calling you PG. I bought some couple of things from him for the channel, just to review here. And he sent me this device for free. So I really appreciate it and I just wanted to share this with you. But again, when people give me free stuff, it doesn't influence my personal opinion. But the reason also why I wanted to do this video, I just was messing around with it some nights. Sometimes I just love to play on these portable systems, the basic Sega portable systems. Not a lot of these mumbo jumbo. And I realized this thing is not bad at all. And I just wanted to show you here on the channel. So don't get me wrong, I did a lot of reviews regarding these Sega or AdGames or Chinese portable systems. And I can tell you, not only AdGames, but the Chinese itself messed it up big time. There are a lot of new versions, we have a lot of different versions of the AdGames. And yeah, most of them were pretty awful, or were pretty glitched out. But this thing, it's not perfect, but still, you need to see this. Alright, but before we're going to continue, I just want to say there are quite some different versions out there. And first of all, for example, when I'm grabbing the 6-button edition, we're having the 3-button. This is the version I'm holding here. We're having the 6-button edition. There are quite some different versions of this one. We have the original AdGames, Chinese versions, and we have the last released, the white edition from AdGames. But all of these things have some problems, and not to forget we're having the Master System, but that is something, a totally different story. It's basically the same mold, only having 2 buttons over here. So but nevertheless, we're having AV out. This thing runs on 3 AAA batteries, so there's no way of, let's see, putting a rechargeable battery. We're having here the AV out, so that's something we're going to try out. And it rhymes. We're having the on and off switch and volume control. Not a lot of features on this thing, and no, we can add games. So what we're going to do is just play some games. Let's check out what we're going to get. We're having start, select, on and off. The D-pad feels quite nice, and 3 very small buttons. Alright, let's power it on and let's see what we're going to get. Alright, so let's take a close look at the menu. The screen itself is very tiny. It's not an EPS screen, so it's have a poor view angle. Alright, so what you can see over here, there are some pretty good games. So first of all, I like Alien Storm, weird game, Alternate Beasts. So as you can see, we're having games for everyone. Mean Machine, or Mean Bee Machine from Dr. Robotnik, Sonic franchise, Echo, E-SWAT, Golden Axe, Kid Chameleon, Shadow Dancer, Shinobi 3, Sonic and Knuckles, Sonic Spinball. So these are the games that you're going to get. So it's a very tiny collection of games. And again, we can't add games to the AdGames. Alright, let's play some games. Let's see how they're running. So the sound is not perfect. I think it's due of this speaker that's inside. It's not a good quality. But I didn't really think of this, but it runs pretty decent. Kick Wolfie. You know, power up. Beefcake moment. Kick him in the balls. That's the way you do it wicked style. Put him in the face, kick him in the balls. And when you're beefcake, you only need to kick or punch once. Yes. The D-pad itself is very nice, and I must say, it plays very nice. Beefcake! Oh yeah, When I'm pressing the menu button, it goes straight back to the menu, or better said, it resets the system. There's no quick load, quick save, so there's a little bit of a bummer if you ask me. Alright, let's try Alien Storm. Let's see how this thing runs. you listen to the soundtracks, so funny how this big new comes from the sky. I did say that I wanted to try out the TV out function, but I used all thinkable cables I can find, from mono to stereo sound whatsoever. The only thing I can get is sound out of the system. There's nothing else. There's no image, so I don't know what's going on, but maybe the part of this is broken in the system itself. But the cables itself, I know they are all working. I tried different versions, nothing works. So that sucks. So as you can see, sound only, no image. That is such a bullshit. Rawr. Why did I even try? I hate this game. I'm not going to push the car now. Just going to jump over it. I'm going to get my ass kicked like always, but nevertheless, we're going to try it again. I hate this game sometimes so much. Even when it's freaking super mode and not going down. Yeah, starting red. So by the way, what I really like about it is that the D-pad itself is very nice. There's something a lot of these Chinese portable systems will have a problem with, the D-pad, yes. So the reason why I want to show you this is very simple. I am a big Sega fan, I love portable systems, and if you can find this thing on the flea market for a couple of dollars or euros, I think it's just worth the money. It's a fun pickup, It's fun to have in your collection, and personally I really enjoy playing these old games on, for example, this ad game system. I know a lot of haters against this company at the moment. Still, maybe it's going to get a little bit better in the future because they're still releasing new products like arcade machines, and they are pretty decent. But still, this device, it's a fun portable product, and for any Sega collector I think it's fun. The sound is not perfect at all, but this is way better than I've heard before. I know there are quite some solutions for some of these portable systems, like firmware updates or even improved speaker. I'd really love to know from you, do you own a system like this, and what do you think of this? For now, thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, become one of the Wicked family, and don't miss out any Wicked videos. I know, hit the little bell because the master of YouTube sent you a message from the future. See you in the next video.